to my channel. It's Tamara Latanya. So today we're going to be working on a wall project. Of course, this is a DIY garland wall. And this little area is actually in my room. It's like an office slash business space. Okay, you guys, pause. So I promise you I did not deliberately but accidentally deleted the clip of me showing you guys the items that you will need for this DIY. But instead of not putting it in the video, I'm still going to tell you guys what you need. So you're going to need garland, of course, some tape, a nail, a hammer, and a neon sign or a picture of your liking for your wall project. And let's get back to it. So, as you can see behind me, my wall is already partially done, but I'm still adding some garland to get that fuller and more lengthy look. So right here, as you can see, I'm just leveling up my garland to my liking. The way that I put my garland up is some were a little bit longer, some were a little bit shorter, just to give that more of a natural outside forest effect look. I did not want it to all, add up, level up with each other. So that's what I'm doing right here and just playing with it a little bit, fluffing it out. And right here, I am just trying to stretch it out because with the garland, it comes with this type of material where you can just pull on it to make it a little bit more longer than it's expected. So right here, I'm just adding my tape. You guys, you do not have to use tape. You can also use the adhesive hooks, and you can find them at your local Family Dollar store or Dollar Tree. I was going to get the hooks, but I ended up just using a tape because it worked good for me. It stayed steady and it was sturdy with my project. So we're just going to keep that. Okay, not right here. It wasn't steady right here. But it worked, you guys. I promise. The tape stayed, and my wall is still up with the tape and the sign as of today. Okay, guys, I'm going to speed this up just a little bit because you get the gist, right? Looking good so far. So right now I am going to add another garland piece. So for my personal project, I did have 7 in total garlands on my wall. I did later on in the future go to the store to get some more because I did want the fuller look, but once the garland is all put up, I'll show you guys what I'm specifically talking about. I was actually going to for a more fuller and lengthy wall than the actual area I had. So you'll see just in a second. Just wait. Just wait. Be patient with me. So right here, I definitely have noticed I got the wrong garland, you guys. I was going for the ivy look, and I end up actually, when I went back to purchase some more garland, I got the clover leaves instead of the ivy leaves. But I couldn't do anything about it. I already purchased it and I was in the process of making my wall already. So I just end up putting the garland up anyway, and it actually blended in very well, but I was still a little upset because I wanted to go for the ivy look other than a mix and match. So, whatever. So as you can see, I'm just playing around with it, making it more fluffy and stretching it out some more so it won't be the spaces in between the garland. If you can see the little white spaces, I want it to be like a full look. But you guys, This is the wall right here, and I'm so excited how it came out. This is how it looks, and as you can see the ivy leaves and the clovers leaves. The clover leaves are actually towards the end right there, and then the ivy leaves are more in the middle, but it's still blended very well. And as you can see, it's more of a 4x4 of the garland look, other than the whole wall how I actually wanted it. So I did, like I said, I did go back to the store and get some more garland to fill in this space right here and right there to get more of a lengthy look other than a square look. But other than that, you guys, the wall really, really came out good. I like it. So this is how your wall will come out once you put every garland piece up. And I actually didn't have my sign at this time. I had to wait until the next day because Amazon was slacking. But, hey. So this is the next day and I received my sign and I was so excited when I came home, you guys. Oh my gosh, you should have seen my face. But you're going to need a nail, just one nail and a hammer. But you guys don't judge me. I couldn't find my hammer. I had to be ghetto and use a screwdriver. But hey, it worked and it got the job done. Sometimes you got to use what you got to get things done. So I'm just eyeballing it. I actually didn't measure an area where I wanted to place my sign. I really just went for it. So I put my nail in the wall already. I knew I wanted the sign to hang high due to the little chain that will be hanging from the sign. And you guys, this is my neon sign. I am so excited. I cannot wait to put this on my wall, you guys. I don't know why I'm so excited about this light. Like, neon signs are very popular these days, if you have noticed, but I always wanted a beauty wall like this. It reminds me of Beauty in the Forest. Oh, that's cute. Beauty in the Forest. Like Beauty and the Beast. Okay, that was corny. But I'm just still playing around with the garland. I was trying to tuck it behind the sign because I didn't want it in front of the neon sign. I didn't know if the sign overheated or not, but the sign is made out of glass. So I just didn't know how that would work, but the sign actually does not overheat or get hot at all. So I was pretty shocked about that, but it's so freaking pretty, guys. When you turn it on, the color is just perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect color for the room. So right here, I'm just standing back to make sure that everything is angled right and that the sign is actually in the middle, which it wasn't. So I fixed it just a little bit and adjusted it just so it could be centered. But you guys, this is the wall and this is the final show. And bam! You guys, that's the sign. This is the wall. So my sign does say do what you love, and I love it. I really love it. I love how this project came out. I love how this wall came out, and I love my neon sign. So this is the finished look for your DIY wall, you guys. I love this wall so much. I'm always taking pictures in front of it and making videos in front of it. But if you guys tried this DIY project, please let me know. Tag me in your Instagram pictures, your Instagram videos, or if you upload on YouTube, make sure you shout your girl out, okay? And let me know how your wall turns out. And until next DIY project, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this DIY project with me as much as I love doing this DIY on my wall. And until then, make sure you like and subscribe and see you next time.